So today, well tonight, we are at the Mandalay Bay, and I am in room 3234, 30th floor, 234. Let's go in. Okay, so I already been here for hours, 4 hours now. But as we walk in, it's this nice place. I love the carpet. It's like just gray and really. This came off the curtains, so I'll show you that. But anyway, so we're walking in. They have this nice little light right here. They have this nice mirror. I really like this mirror. It's really pretty. Walk in. Let's start at the desk. At the desk, I have my computer because I'm gonna edit this video. My purse, my phone, my mask, and we have this wood. It's like wood paneling up here. It's really pretty with the TV and dresser. And then they have coffee and water, but of course you are charged for it, so I'm not going to touch that. They have another light. They have the ice bucket, glasses. I'm totally going to get ice after this video. And then drawers. And then right here is the refrigerator, and I think it has stuff in it. I don't want to open it because I don't want to get charged or anything, you know, because sometimes when you open stuff it's like they alert. So it has a little mini bar thing. And then the beds, I had 2 beds. I forgot to turn on that light, but a lamp, berry. I really like this background. It's really pretty. I really like this room. It's really pretty. And then it has 2 closets. And it has a light, and there's hangers. The safe is in the closet. Hangers, ironing board. My stuff is down there. And then this other closet over here. The light's not working on this one, I don't think. Oh yeah, it is. Some more hangers. Dry cleaning bag. The thing to put your luggage on. More hangers. See, look at how pretty this is. It's like gold flecks in it. You see that? So pretty. It's so pretty. And plugs. I have my shoes on there. And we get to the bathroom. Alright, this is the bathroom. Nice big mirror, 2 sinks, a shower with a light, and it looks like not a rain shower, but kind of close. This kind of shower, soap, like pebbles. And then over here we have the bathtub, which after when this video is uploading, I will be taking a bath. And then has nice lighting in here. It's really pretty. And then you're in lights and me, hello. And then the water closet with the toilet in there, you know. Everything. It's a little room. And then let's go see the view. Turn off all the lights and go look at the view. Okay. It gets really dark in here. Alright. So we're facing south. So the airport is over there. There's airplanes about to land. You can see them about to land. There's the Raiders Stadium right there. Let's zoom in. The Raiders Stadium, Allegiant Stadium. Okay, as close as I can get. And then zoom out a little bit. And then the pools. the pools down there. You can see one pool, two pools. The big this is the big wave pool down there. I think I'm gonna insert the daytime view because I took a video on the daytime too. So I think I'm gonna insert that right there. But they have like 6 or 7 pools, and they have like the lazy river over there and the convention center. So this view is very pretty, and you can see helicopters. You can see airplanes coming in. But yeah. Oops, that's not light. But yeah, that's the room. And I really like it. Like, this is, so the rooms I've stayed so far, this is definitely in the top 3. Like Vidara's number 1 because that's like the best so that I stayed in so far. Obviously my reflection, but yeah, this is definitely a good one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the room tour, and I will see you next time.